Hello, good evening to everyone. Today I just received this pair of shoes, which are children shoes for the ages like 7 to 8 years. There is one specialty for these shoes. This has RGB lights. So for the foot movement, the lights will get lit up. So we'll unbox this and we'll see. Yeah, see here. There's a box inside. Yeah. I'll show you the Flipkart link also. BALAKPLUS kids collection, uh, and I'll tell the price details and everything at the end of the video. Okay. Yeah. Pretty attractive color, blue, white, and red combination. So the foot movement actually gives the light blinking, I guess. We'll test it. But this is the initial looks. The size they mention like ears like 7 to 8. Okay. Lace given. And along with the lace, there is the strip also. Okay. So you can loosen the strip. Yeah. Yes. So what I'll do is I'll just try to make the foot movement maybe. Yeah, see here. There is pressure applied at this area, exactly this area. So when the foot, maybe the battery will get touch here. See, I'll try to off my light so that it would be better. Yeah, see, and please do comment your opinion on this. And coming to the price details, I got this for 430 rupees in Flipkart. Maybe I'll try to attach in the products list, view products. You can check more details. Okay, let us check the online details. This is on the Flipkart. The user, when they purchased this BALAKPLUS Velcro sneakers for boys and girls, it was like 440 to 430 rupees with adding the delivery charge. Now it is showing 469 rupees. Anyway, the prices will get changed. Yeah, there are other options also you can check. There is the combo here, and different color variations also you can select, and different sizes for the shoes also you can select, and it got 4 rating. And when I see the unboxing, the quality of the shoes are pretty good, very decent with this budget range, with this price budget range. As you already saw the lighting and everything, if you want a review video, please do ask in the comments so that I'll again post a video after 4 months in that. Yeah, please do comment your opinion. Okay, fine. This is the front look.